Hi there, Alexa from Microsoft, joined by Patrick. We're here at the Paramount Theater, got the Broadcaster Royale put on by OMEN by HP. A lot of cool stuff to talk about today.
I want to show off our new OMEN by HP Obelisk desktop. You can get it with a metal side panel or with a tempered glass window. With the tempered glass window, you can see it also has internal RGB lighting. So you can, using our OMEN Command Center software, you can basically program it to any animation or colors that you want it to be. The whole point of this product was to be very DIY focused. It's meant for gamers to be able to upgrade and future-proof as they need. So 2 years down the line, 3 years down the line, you don't need to replace your full desktop if you just want to upgrade your graphics card or your CPU or something.
Yeah, even sooner. Sometimes it's 6 months and something new comes out. Or
oh, for sure. Yeah, like technology just keeps rolling.
Yeah, which is why it's awesome.
We'll be one of the first OEMs to launch the RTX 2080 graphics cards when they start shipping the end of this month. So this system will be shipping those right away. It also, well, we are the first OEM to partner with HyperX on their gaming memory line. And so all of these units will start shipping with HyperX memory as soon as they launch.
What kind of cooling? I see a fan.
Yeah, so we've got a system fan on the back. We've got a CPU fan on the front on the CPU. There is room reserved on the top for a 120 millimeter liquid cooler. So if you want to put in a liquid cooler radiator for your overclocked CPUs and stuff, you can. This model right here doesn't show it, but you can add it in yourself. All of the components in this system are industry standard. So basically, you can, if you want a new motherboard, you can swap it out. If you need a better power supply or a higher end power supply, you can put something else in.
Definitely.
It's actually already available now. You can go online and place your orders on hp.com. The starting price point is $849.99.